Hey guys, it's Kate. Welcome back to my channel. I know this looks like a whole weird different setup today, and it is. This video is going to be totally different than how I normally do my videos. You've never seen me do like a vloggy style kind of thing, but the reason is I have a very important point at the end, so I hope you stick around and enjoy this video. The point is to inspire you to declutter and minimize what you can. There are certain areas of your house right now, I'm pretty sure there's somewhere, a junk drawer, a closet, a basement, a garage, that is like gnawing at you. You can't stand it. You walk in and you feel overwhelmed. For me, it was my son's playroom. What you're about to see is real. This is not staged for a video. This is completely real. And what you're about to see is the stuff that I pulled out of the playroom and his closet, which has like 3 shelves of toys and games and etc. When things are sucking your energy dry, that is the time to make a change and make things better. I really hope by watching what I'm about to show you, it will inspire you to go clear something out and make your life better. I'm gonna ease you in, and then I'm gonna go for the big grand finale, okay? So when this kind of thing gets overwhelming, start small. Let me show you how we sorted out Kaden's stuffed animal collection. This is our stuffed animal stash. Are you even kidding me right now? This is how many, can barely see Kaden. Is this a lot of stuffed animals?
Lots.
So today
we're gonna put the ones we don't want in this basket.
Yeah, we're gonna donate all the stuffed animals he no longer uses. But this is insane.
Take this there, put it there.
It's hard. I feel like it's hard to let go of stuffed animals because you have like this attachment. But we are gonna go one by one and see what we can give to some other kid that might really enjoy them. Next, we moved on to his book collection. This didn't take that long and looks a lot better when we were done. This is the before of what Kaden's bookshelf looks like. As you can see, there's some other random stuff in there, but we're gonna go through it and see if there's anything we can get rid of, and then we also have his stack of library books that we've already read, so we need to return these and get some more. This is my bookshelf, and all the bottom has his books in it also, so I need to go through those and try to see if we can condense into one bookshelf, maybe, and have it all in the same place. Kaden just ate pancakes, and he's got it all over his mouth. Was it good?
I'm not done.
Oh, you're not done.
Yet.
Is it delicious?
Yeah.
All right, so I'm going to show them the after of the bookshelf. Here's the after.
So, these are all of the books I'm going to give away.
These are the ones we're going to give away. So that's not bad. Nice little stack. And these are what we are keeping. I feel a lot better about how this looks. And also, I told you guys that other bookshelf I wanted to condense, and the other one is now empty.
Good about that.
You also feel good about it too?
Yeah. Now there's more room.
I like that idea too. More room is great.
Yeah.
And they're not all stacked in and all crazy. This makes us feel good. Yay! Okay, now I'm going to show you all the footage of the playroom / laundry room. Get ready. I hope you are not triggered if you get really overwhelmed by mess, because this is the worst. And I just letting you know, you're not going to see many videos of me doing this, because this is as bad as it gets in my house, and this is far outweighs any other time I've had a mess. This is the worst I've ever experienced, I'm pretty sure. God, please. Okay, so here I go. I'm going to show you everything I got. Let's do it. No, this is like the most embarrassing thing in the world right now. I'm going to show you. This is what the toy room looks like right now. It has stuff from wall to wall, everywhere. I have taken all the stuff out of his closet, and this is the stuff in his closet. And this is our puzzles, games, etc. So yeah, if you can just see, this is what we look like before. I hope the second time you see this, it will not look like this. Wish me luck. I can't help but share this also. This is like my laundry section, but it's just like papers, and I'm not even sure what's up in those things anymore. So I've got that rug I'm about to throw in the laundry. So yeah. Again, you guys can get like, it goes like this, and then all this, and all this. Hope that didn't make you dizzy. Okay, so my mom's here helping me, and we just worked our butts off to just clean the space up. This is still a disaster. That is where our litter box goes, because there's literally no other place in my house to go. But look at this, guys. Whew. This is what the empty room will look like when we start over. So this is like the real deal. I'm gonna show you what the house looks like right now when I just pulled everything out of the toy room. This is insane, and I think that when this is finally clean, I will get my sanity back. You ready? It's bad. It's really bad. Who wants to actually physically vomit right now? Because that's what looks like just happened to my home. Okay, this is everything taken out of the toy room.
You got some more in the other room.
Oh yeah. Mom says you're not done yet. Okay, this is us. This is what my house looks like right now. This is not typical. Oh.
Hi.
This is what is happening. Just emptying this toy room and Kaden's closets.
And
This is the real
that's
story.
all the tabs. Over here. Got this.
So now you can see this is the nightmare we are dealing with. And hopefully the next time you see us, this room will have much improvement, and hopefully we have a concept that will work so we don't do this again. This is our first load of stuff for Goodwill, and it does not all fit, so we're going to have to go back for a second load. Here is the second load. We've got this, and we've got this. Hi, babe. And all these toys. So, second load, right, babe?
Yeah.
Yeah. You guys, I am so proud of myself right now, and of my mom and of Kaden. I cannot even wait to show you what we've accomplished today. It has been so much work. When you see the clips of before, it's going to be awful. But then hopefully when you see the after, you will feel relief like I am feeling right now. Are you guys ready to see what we did? We're feeling much better.
Yes.
Okay, here we go.
Hi. Welcome to a new playroom. Welcome in. Welcome in.
Oh, guys, what do you think? In comparison, he still has a lot of stuff. Right, honey?
Yeah.
But look at this. First of all, we can walk. This is amazing. Look, there's actually room on the floor. We've got this little divider here now. So the litter box is on the other side. You don't have to see it. Look, you can actually see the washer and dryer.
Yeah, and
Oh, and then I know you guys want to see what happened in my kitchen, right? Okay, so this, look guys, you can see the floor, yay!
Yeah,
And then that's my returnables, that's where we recycle, but look!
Come.
Yay!
I'm back in the playroom for something to tell them.
You can see the floor, everyone! Best day ever! I know this is not my normal setup, but I just want to say the words as I'm feeling it, the raw joy of cleaning that up. This has been plaguing me. It has been the bane of my existence for a little while right now, like months. I feel like after Christmas, it started getting a little bad. Then it was like kind of clean, but we still didn't know half of the stuff that was in there. I think it was number 9, maybe, when I was talking about the 20 frugal things of how to save money in my last video. I'll put it up here. Making your home your sanctuary is critical in wanting to be in your home and loving your home. And right now, I can feel the weight of the world coming off my shoulders as I can walk clearly through that room. I do laundry in there. It's also, I told you, where my cat litter box is, and it is where all the toys are stored. We live in a 2-bedroom. One room is mine, one is Kaden's, obviously, and then that room is like a multi-purpose room. And I know I probably could do a better job. There's probably a better way, but just in comparison, you guys, of what you saw before and what we have now, I just can breathe. I can breathe. And my poor friend Allie, I talk about it. She's not just my friend outside of work. She is my coworker too. And I must talk to her about it every single day and have for months. So Allie, you don't have to hear me talk about it anymore except my celebration of that it is clean. But thanks for listening to me talk about it for all eternity. It's been awful and weighing on me. Guys, if you have something that's weighing on you like that, a messy room, debt, maybe emotional clutter, someone you need to forgive, or anything of that kind of sort that weighs on you, take care of it, handle it. I feel like I have a new lease on life right now because I can see my floors. Just something to consider, guys. Thanks for watching. Like I said, this will be the only video of its kind. I hope you enjoyed seeing something a little different, perhaps seeing a little bit of a different side of me. That is not the side I like to show, and that is not the side that will perpetuate in the future. This is just one situation that got out of hand, but now we're back. Have a great day, guys. See you soon.